Ooh, I'm getting tipsy.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel great.
Beach day with my sister.
Okay, wait, I wanted to open one.
Wait, you have to wait till we get dressed.
I'm gonna open this one.
Alright. Why are you?
You want me to move it? This one says, for a special daughter on her birthday, happy birthday to a sweet daughter from mommy. Remember her so fondly, other years and other days, wish you a happy birthday that is happy always. Thinking of the wonderful and thoughtful things you do, loving you so very much, just for being you. Thank you. Is this the card that she was hiding from me? Thank you. Good to you. I like the gold. Look at the little roller.
Stop falling.
What's this? Is it champagne glass? What?
No, I was just looking at that. Oh, yeah, it looks lazy glass.
Is this mine?
Yeah. Did you? Yeah.
That means there's another gift. I like this story like that. I'm gonna eat one.
Okay.
Is it edible?
I hope so. You have to find out.
But it's hard. Is it plastic? Oh, it tastes good. It tastes like cherries.
Yeah.
Do you have one?
Yeah, that's so random.
Help me, which one should I open next?
It doesn't matter.
Gotta save these. It's good for Christmas.
You're right.
Oh, this is a big one.
Put it in the chair.
Okay. I can't chew this candy. You got me the Cricut Easy Press! Oh my god! Now I can make t-shirts! Thank you. Megan, can I have that for me? Who got it for me? It didn't,
Jesus.
did it have a name? Thanks. I'm gonna give you a hug too. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Now we're really in business. Oh wow. Oh my god. I don't know what to do with it. I want to open it.
Watch your glasses.
Yeah.
You wanted wine yesterday?
Yeah, yeah. They see they didn't even check our bags. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm back in business. Snowy Design Studio. More things coming your way. Oh my gosh.
Okay, got a little wrap around.
Wait, I gotta smell this candy. The eyes. I think it's the eyes don't taste too good.
Probably not really candy.
It tastes like cherry though, the pink part.
I like the cake.
This is cool. What are we gonna make, Megan?
It's a good question. It should be. Is there a booklet in here?
This?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but
Yeah.
probably stuff like
Like
design.
instructions.
Mhm.
Oh, you can register the product. Yeah. It's a cricket thing you iron onto the shirt.
I'm like, that's so random.
can make a cricket shirt.
Cool. Nice.
Thanks. And it comes with a seat, like, I guess.
Oh, like a cooling plate probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is cool. I want to make stuff right now.
Oh, yeah.
Things is falling.
Uh-oh. Message.
Okay. Next one. I like this bag. What's in here? This is a Megan shirt. Did you make it?
No.
Oh, I thought you made it with the cricket press.
No.
Girls rock, girls rock.
It's Powerpuff Girls. I love Powerpuff Girls.
I do like Powerpuff Girls. And then I saw this and I was like, oh, she made it with this. And I was like, wait, it's wrapped up still.
Lord.
I like it. Because it reminds me of my sister. This. Let's see. Wait, you guys can't see me.
Let me see you.
The bag. Yeah. Is this a cricket bag? Cool, I can put my vinyls in here. Because they was actually starting to get crushed in my little case I have them in now. Thanks, Megan. Thanks, Mommy.
Is that a,
What?
I don't know, something with it. It came like a pad or something. Underneath.
Oh. It's a baby bag.
Oh, Lord. That looks like it. Well, it's it.
I can put my supplies in here because I have them just all over. Now, I can put the pens in here, the attachments. Oh yeah, the attachments can go in here. Then the vinyls. Then I can put the other little accessories. Oh, it comes with me.
There's stuff in it?
Oh, no, I thought it was like a little holder thing. But yeah, there's a lot of space in here.
Good.
Cool, cool. Thank you guys.
Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I
We've
keep
been working all day.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Nice.
We worked.
Now I can go organize my little office space.
You know, that stuff that you bought through.
Yeah, I can put them all in here and they won't get ruined. Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I can travel to Kentucky
Yeah.
and make things
With a cricket.
in the easy press. I like this. It's me, you, and Kevin.
Kevin's the one.
Buttercup.
Yeah. Kevin's Buttercup.
You blossom on bubbles.
That sounds about right.
Thank you. What's the lip roller for?
You know, that's let me get a lip roller.
Yeah, I always do when I see her for the lip roller. And that's okay. I thought there was another joke coming. I was like, what's the lip roller? Thanks.
I was walking past, I saw it, I said, let me get this.
Yeah, I do
Yeah,
always.
that was random.
Yeah, I go through lip rollers a lot. And I can use them for my cricket mats. That's what I did it for the last time to get the little dots off of it.
Oh, okay.
So I saw that on YouTube. So I took it and I was using it. And it cleans off the mat really well. I feel like making something now.
I'm hungry. Well, you have to see the cake.
Yes. Is it edible?
Everything's edible except for the candle and the
How you like the candle?
I like them. I like that they light up. The pearls are nice.
Alright, so now we're gonna pick off the cake.
Hey guys, so I just finished eating and I was looking around in the kitchen and I found me some Fiesta string. So was somebody trying to get me? I might go get somebody. Let's go. So, I was planning on sneaking around the front because everyone's in the back. My neighbors are gonna be like, what is she doing? I'm just casually trotting around in a little princess dress and a tiara. Nothing.
First of all,
I'm gonna get you, Bobby.
it's not yours.
Now tomorrow, you gotta call Killian.
Why does it sound you pouring too much?
Why did it look like I didn't even get none of that in the shot?
Can't get it. No subject. Got no subject. Got your name and then next is no.
Yeah, press that.
Okay, so now that's download.
Yeah, press download.
Okay, and then put yes.
Mm-hmm.
Says downloading. And then it switched to new message.
Yeah, and press that.
New message. Oh, it left. It got your name up there again.
Press that.
Press your name.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, I got your picture there. Now where's the cake?
Oh, I can send you that right now. But you're gonna have to go through the steps all over again.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, you gotta get a smartphone. Because when you get a smartphone, it just pops up.
Oh, yeah, I got it down here.
Ooh. Okay, I'm about to send you the picture of the cake.
Ah, I see it. Hey, I see your cake. I
Yeah.
see cake candles.
Yeah, it's nice. And the 24 lights up.
I see it. Uh-huh. That's nice. Your sister did a number on that cake, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
You didn't cut it yet?
No, because we're still kind of full.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Well, at least they able to get picture on here.
Yeah, at least I got to teach you how to view the pictures. I talked to Jackie. I told him, I was like, 8 years ago today, somebody stole my birthday. And they're cutting his cake right now.
Oh, they got a cake for him?
Yeah, I was like, Jackie, what'd you get for your birthday? And he's like, cake. And I'm like, that's good. And then I think he got like Xbox gift cards and stuff so he can buy things to play his games.
Oh, that's nice. Oh.
My voice is slurring because I drank a whole bottle of wine.
You really celebrate your birthday.
Yeah, buddy.
You be knocked out sleep before long.
You give me 20 minutes.
You won't be eating no cake until maybe 3 o'clock in the morning when you wake up. All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Ah! I'm done.
Did you really drink it all? You didn't even let nobody have it.
It was so good.